Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this here, the ultimative airline on polo shirt for men. It's a short sleeve, breathable, elastic, slim fit business leisure shirt, which comes in M up to 3XL. You can get it in black, dark blue, gray, light blue, and white. Size ML, extra large, third, extra large. 3XL, okay? And we have here a brushable comfort. This man's short sleeve polo shirt is made of high quality viscose, which is soft, elastic, and particularly breathable. Perfect for long office days or sports activities. Pleasantly cool on the skin. And fidget advanced through the slim fit. Thanks to the slim fit cut, this man's polo shirt short sleeve is more than an advantage. The discreet vertical structure provides a slimming look, ideal for business polo shirt man's look, and stylish details, and of course a good workmanship. Classic polo collar with the ribbon cuffs on the arms, and this polo shirt for men canvas with a high quality seams and a dimensionally stable quality, even after frequent washing. And versatile of everyday life and work. Whether a golf polo shirt for men, a sports polo shirt for men, or a polo man's t-shirt for the office, this polo shirt for men fits meetings, coffee, appointments, or relaxed weekends. Meetings, and so on. A real all-round talent. And easy care in color first. The machine washable at 30 degrees Celsius. The iron-free and dimensionally stable and available in black, white, gray, dark blue, and light blue shirt here. It's a perfect as a basic or for the polo shirt men's 3XL needs, all is possible. Soft, skin-friendly, breathable, light, and flexible. This polo shirt for man is a short sleeve, a gold t-shirt, and it makes a good job for every man out there. As you can see, a polo shirt made a button list and a knit closure. It looks really comfortably. It looks really nice. Yes, this it is. This is the LA Norm polo shirt for men. It's a short sleeve, breathable, elastic, slim fit business polo shirt. But also it's not only for business. It's good for workout. It is good for everyday use. Of course, really nice. That's a nice shirt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!